Hey, what's happening, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a photo shoot with Lydia using two Godox AD 600. I'm using a large modifier. I have this Elinchrom 38-inch Deep Octa. I really like this modifier. I use an adapter to be able to use it with the Godox light. And my edge light is another AD600 with a 7-inch reflector, and I have a white sock on it just to soften the light a little bit. I want to create a nice separation on Lydia from the background. I have my main light is above Lydia's head, 1 foot. I feather the light in front of her like always. I direct Lydia to look towards the light, and as you can see, I have my main light in the same vicinity, same direction as the ambient light is coming from my left or Lydia right, and I'm trying to enhance what is already in the picture, just bringing the light a little bit in front of Lydia to illuminate the side of the face nicely. But I always want to have some nice graduation from highlights to shadow, and in order to make her pop, I'm using an edge light. I'm underexposing the background like half a stop, maybe almost 1 stop, depend on how it looks, because I want to enhance this greenery and I want her, the whole body to pop. I want to take full-length pictures this time, and it's why I'm using a big, large modifier to be able to illuminate the whole body. And also, I want to create some separation. I'm using the Canon R5, and I have the 85 2.0 lens this time. I'm not using the 1.2 because it's too heavy. This lens has a nice sharpness and also a very shallow depth of the field. But in order to use this lens with a full length body shots, I have to back up a lot, and I'll be farther away. I want to include some of this greenery around her in the pictures to create like a nice frame. You got to make sure that the lights stay where I want them. I have the edge light towards Lydia. I think it looks good. I have my main light at 32 power, and my edge light is 64 power. I'm shooting at f2.0 and ISO 100, shutter speed 100 of a second. I want to create this book cover look with this shoot. We changed the setup a little bit. I just have Lydia with the back towards the water. I like the open sky. I want to underexpose the sky to get some texture and some color, and I'm shooting at shutter speed 640 at 2.8 ISO 100. I'm trying to balance the exposure on Lydia with the background, but I still want to underexpose to have color in the sky. My main light is in front of Lydia, is feather again in front of her, is 6-7 feet away from her, just enough to give me a room to shoot full-length portraits. And my edge light is like 10 to 12 feet away from Lydia, and I have, as you can see, I have this sock on it, just to diffuse a little bit the light. But I'm not trying to push too much light from this side. I just want to open up a little bit the shadow side, because I'm going to have Lydia facing towards the light. I want my main light to illuminate the face and a little bit feather on the shadow side to have a nice transition. As before, I established the exposure for the ambient. I expose to see how my background want to look, keeping the colors in the sky. Adjust the light, keep the same height for the light because it works with the Lydia height, and try to find a different vantage point and took a couple of shots. The AD600 works pretty good in situation like this. My favorite light from the setup is the AD200, but when I use with large modifiers and I have like extended shoots, the AD600 recharge a little bit faster and the battery lasts longer, is why I'm using this light. I really like all the Godox lineup, and I like how the color consistency between the flashes remain unchanged. But of course, you can do this shoot with the AD200. When you go to the V1 or V100, That is a little bit iffy, because if you want to shoot for extended period of time, especially when you have a big, large modifier, the V1 or V100, they are not my choice for this kind of shoot, because I think they are too small. Even the AD100 is iffy, but with the AD200 and 300, 400, 600, I think they work really good for something like this. And especially because I want to do the full length shot, and I want to have all the drama and underexpose a little bit the background, because I want to create a little bit of separation between my subject and the background. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out my channel for more lighting tutorials and gear reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.